This is Indy Now.
Well, it is International Dog Day, so we had to invite one of our favorite dogs back on the show.
Yes, welcome back to our friend and acclaimed movie star, Allan the dog. Hi, Allan. We're so glad you're here.
Julian, Ryan, thank you so much for having me back. This is fantastic.
Yeah, now last time you were here, you were chatting about your self-titled movie last time. How's it going with the film?
Yeah.
Oh, it's going fantastic. We're out there right now. Wherever you stream your Stoof, you can rent us, Allan the dog. Yeah, we're making people laugh. We love it.